But the only real advantage of dropshipping is that you don't need to buy inventory upfront. Instead, what happens is when somebody lands on your sales page, they like your product, they purchase it. On the back end, everything is connected. And so the order gets placed on AliExpress directly, and then the product gets shipped while you sit back and relax. So on paper, dropshipping seems to be a good business model. But when you take the time to analyze it, you quickly realize how shit it actually is in reality. It's like the law. In theory, it sounds good, but in practice, you see tons of rapists and criminals, they never actually go to jail. They never get to face any consequences for what they did. Practice is always different from, theory. And that's exactly why people who spend so much time in books just theorizing, over-planning everything, overthinking everything, I used to be one of them. They never actually move forward. Nowadays, I had to train myself to just massively take action. Otherwise, I would have stayed poor my whole life, believe me. In fact, the truth is, you are probably too damn smart for your own good. You're overthinking, overplanning, what's the best way to make money online, what's the best way to do X, Y, Z. If you simply started, you would get results from what you're doing. And even if you don't make money, you learn lessons. Each failure is a lesson. It teaches you what success is by showing you what it isn't. But I'm gonna be very honest with you. The kind of people that a business model like dropshipping attracts, it's usually broke kids and retards. Why? Because you have to be a bit stupid to think that you're gonna get rich by reselling some shitty AliExpress lamp that people can just Google and buy anyway. Now back in 2012, 2015, dropshipping was a pretty new business model. Not every kid and their mother was trying to do it. So it was pretty unsaturated. But nowadays you are not only in competition with every other dumbass who's just throwing money at Facebook ads and doing random shit, but you also are in competition with the biggest brands in the world, brands that have hundreds of millions of dollars in budget. No one is gonna buy your shitty lamp on your store when they could just buy it for half the price on Amazon and get same-day delivery. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Back when I was a broke high school student, I tried dropshipping with my best friend of the time. He was a few years older than me, he was working a job, and I had a lot of free time, I was in school, and so he basically put money into the opportunity, and I put all my time and effort into it. So for example, we'd pay for the softwares, etc., and me, as soon as I came back home from school, I would just be on the websites, spy on the competition to find winning products, so basically trending products, etc. I would also, every single day, DM so many small influencers, girls with, 1,000 followers to 5,000 followers on Instagram in general, and I would try to get them to become affiliates to promote our dropshipping product. And we were also running some Facebook ads. Now, the crazy thing about this story is that we actually got our very first sale only 30 minutes after I launched my very first Facebook ads campaign. But at the time, I didn't know anything about paid advertising, let alone business in general. I knew a lot more about email marketing, selling courses, etc. because that's what I wanted to do back then, and that's the kind of content I was watching anyway. And I knew deep down that dropshipping was a shitty business model, because even the people who were successful at it, first, they were few, but they were only making 5 to 20% in profit, the average being closer to 10%. So even if you make $10,000 a month with dropshipping, you can't even quit your full-time job because you only make $1,000 a month in profit. So you are fucking poor. So let's just do the math together. We make $10,000 a month and we sell online courses, school communities. We keep 90 to 95% in profit. That means for every $10,000 we make, we keep $9,000 to $9,500. Now, with dropshipping or any physical product-based business, you would be lucky to keep, like I said, 5-20% profit. Meaning for every $10,000 you make, you are only keeping $500 all the way to $2,000 maximum. And that's before you pay taxes as a company first, but then the big scam is that you pay taxes twice, because if you want to use your money that's in your business, you're not allowed to. You have to either pay yourself a salary and get absolutely demolished by taxes. You literally pay taxes 3 times if you give yourself a salary, because you pay taxes on the company level, then there's all these bullshit fees added to the salary, and then there's you paying income tax as an individual. So you pay taxes 3 fucking times. And if you're smart, you give yourself dividends instead of a salary, well, you're gonna pay taxes twice anyway. First at the company level, and then you yourself, you pay dividend tax. So out of the $500 you make, you would be lucky to keep $250 when originally you made $10,000 a month with your dropshipping business. So do you see now why dropshipping is such a shitty business model? Not to mention, the startup capital is huge. If you want to actually get a shot at making this work, you need to either pay influencers or run some Facebook ads. And guess what? You're gonna need at least 5K to 10K if you want to actually have enough money to test different things, because your first ad or your first product might not work. So every 15-year-old trying to do this shit, they don't have 5K, 10K to invest. Like, these idiots seriously think by watching a few YouTube videos and going into Facebook ads with $200, they're gonna start making money. Like, seriously, just wake the fuck up. And look, I'm not trying to trash you if you try dropshipping or if currently you're still doing it and you're not seeing success from it, because that's what I tried myself. I lost a lot of time and a lot of money with dropshipping. Yes, we made a few sales, but never any profit. And the reason why we started a business, the reason why I started a business, is because I wanted freedom above anything else. I wanted to be able to travel the world, to decide to just buy a plane ticket and go to the other side of the world on a whim, like tomorrow if I want. And that's kind of what I've done. Like, I never really did things on a whim because that's not who I am. I like to plan everything in advance. But I've traveled to multiple countries. I've stayed in beautiful, luxurious places I would have never been able to stay in if I had just followed the traditional path, had a regular job, made a miserable 2K per month for the rest of my life. I mean, sure, you get some increases in raises over the course of decades, and eventually, if you really work extremely hard, you could have an opportunity which lets you make 6 figures a year, but you would still be a slave to the office, working 12 hours a day with no geographical freedom. Whereas nowadays, like, there's plenty of people on the internet in their 20s who become millionaires simply because they just sell something, a product, a digital product, like a course, like a school community, etc., a high-ticket product, coaching, around their passion. Like, the most beautiful way you can make a living, and in fact get rich, is by simply sharing what you love with the world, doing what you love every single day. That is a beautiful life. Not trying to resell a $10 shitty lamp from AliExpress which people don't need or want to buy in the first place, and then every single day you're so worried because your ad account might have gotten shut down. I can't even tell you the amount of times our ad account would get shut down when I was doing dropshipping with my best friend back in high school. I'd wake up every morning, boom, your ad account has been disabled. And you can't reach out to Facebook, they don't give a shit about you. Unless you're spending millions of dollars with them, they don't even give a shit about you. You don't even have a human to talk to. And if that still isn't enough to convince you, just tell me this. What do all the dropshipping gurus have in common? And no, the answer isn't that they do dropshipping. They all sell a course on how to do dropshipping. Now, there's gonna be 2 categories of these gurus. There's gonna be the ones who have made money with dropshipping, and maybe they still do, but obviously they make a lot more money selling the course because it's a better business model. That's it. It's pure and simple. Or the other option is that they've never actually made money with dropshipping, they just sell a course on it. And you retards believe them and buy their stuff anyway. But either way, what the dropshipping gurus or all the business gurus have in common is that they always sell digital products. Whether they follow their method or not, they sell a course or a community. Why? Because again, that is the best business model you could start. And you don't need 5K to 10K to start it. You just need a knowledge on a specific area or simply a passion, and then you start posting content around it and you sell a course around it or coaching or a school community. That is basically it. That's what I teach people to do nowadays. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.